We're proud to introduce the KD True Plus panels, the ultimate solution for cabinet carcasses. The result is nothing short of exceptional, available in 3 series: PVC, Melamine, and PP Series. KD True Plus panels deliver exceptional value without compromising on world-class quality. It not only enhances the durability of cabinet carcasses, but also extends to the exterior, delivering a more consistent, premium look. Say goodbye to the cheap, plasticky glare of standard panels with KD's exclusive patterns and technology. True Plus panels stay in a full matte finish even under light. Beyond aesthetics, True Plus panels set a new benchmark for eco-friendliness and safety. Low formaldehyde, odor-free, and non-toxic. They help create indoor spaces that are both healthy and reassuring. Built with commercial-grade durability to endure daily use while maintaining a Lakme appearance. True Plus panels are stain-resistant and effortless to maintain. The PVC Series offers excellent moisture resistance and waterproof protection, an ultimate barrier against humidity and mold, keeping your cabinet dry and fresh. The Melamine Series features synchronized embossing technology that captures the soul of real wood, with superior heat resistance and exceptional stability across environments. The PP Series is crafted from food-grade polypropylene, delivering outstanding scratch resistance, absolute safety, and zero toxicity. With KD True Plus panels, elevating your interior is no longer a challenge. It is truly and simply effortless.